In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two powerful web development platforms, Softr and Webflow. Both of these platforms are popular, but they serve different purposes and cater to varying skill levels and project requirements. By the end of this script, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform might be the best fit for your particular needs. Let's begin by looking at the primary uses of each platform. Softr is designed with a focus on creating client portals, internal tools, and web apps. This makes it a fantastic choice for businesses aiming to develop functional and interactive solutions without diving deep into complex coding. On the other hand, Webflow is geared towards marketing websites, portfolios, and business sites. It's ideal if you're looking to build professional, visually appealing websites that make a strong impression. When it comes to ease of use, there's a noticeable difference between the two. Softr is very beginner-friendly, which is perfect for those who may not have a lot of technical expertise. This ease of use allows users to quickly get their projects up and running with minimal hassle. Webflow, however, has a steeper learning curve. This means that it might take some time to become proficient, but the reward is a deeper level of customization and control over your site. Speaking of customization, design flexibility is another key factor where these platforms differ. Softr offers limited customization, which is part of what makes it so accessible to beginners. While you can create functional and visually appealing sites, you might find constraints when trying to push the design boundaries. In contrast, Webflow provides highly customizable options, giving you the power to bring almost any design vision to life. This is particularly beneficial for designers who want complete creative freedom. In terms of content management systems, or CMS, Softr provides a basic option suitable for many typical needs. Webflow, meanwhile, boasts an advanced CMS, which can be a significant advantage if you're running a complex site with a lot of dynamic content. User authentication is built directly into Softr, simplifying the process if user logins are a requirement for your project. With Webflow, achieving this involves setting up memberships or using third-party tools, which can add complexity. For database connections, Softr offers a variety of integration options like Airtable, Google Sheets, HubSpot, and even SQL, making it versatile for businesses heavily reliant on data management. Webflow primarily works with its own CMS, so if external database connections are a central part of your project, it's something to consider. Moving on to SEO capabilities, Softr delivers good SEO support. However, Webflow takes it a notch higher with excellent SEO tools, which can be crucial for businesses needing to boost their online presence. When we look at animations and custom code capabilities, Softr provides basic animations and limited custom coding support. Webflow, however, excels with advanced interactions and animations, along with extensive custom code support, allowing for more sophisticated web interactions and features. In summary, Softr is best for creating portals, dashboards, and directories quickly and efficiently. It shines when you need simplicity and ease of use. Webflow, on the other hand, is your go-to for professional websites and landing pages that require high-end design and a customizable approach. As you decide which platform to choose, consider your specific project needs and the technical skills you or your team possess.